Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want you to meet Linda, a Nigerian subscriber of mine. So Linda has been following my channel for quite a while now, and trust me, she has something to share with we all. So you can see Linda sent me a mail here, and right here on the mail she said she was able to generate over 5,000 leads from Google Maps in just minutes. She was able to sort her hottest prospects and closed over $5,000 in deals within days. I mean, that's just so mind-blowing. So into this video, I asked her to share with me how she did it all, and trust me, I am going to share with you all the processes that Linda took from getting 5,000 leads from Google Maps, how she got people who were going to pay her for a service, and how she was able to make over $5,000 within days, all with one simple tool and a simple service. In this video, I'll show you exactly how she did it, so you yourself can do it and start having access to thousands of leads every single day, closing clients, and start making real money for yourself. So let's get into it. Now, the first thing Linda did was to generate 5,000 leads from Google Maps in just a minute. And now the question is this: how did she do it? If you're very conversant here on my channel, I talk about a tool a lot, and that is what the Lead Sniper Google Maps Scraper. And this is the same exact tool Linda used to get over 5,000 leads in a minute. Now it's just so mind-blowing, right? And I'm going to show you how she did it. Now the first thing she did was to make use of two browsers entirely. So for me, I'm going to open up the Lead Sniper Google Maps Scraper right here on my screen, and right now you can see I'm just going to clear this one and input a fresh keyword, and you can see I have my keyword right here. I'm going to be targeting plumbers in California, plumbers in Texas, just to show you guys the whole process and how it all works. All you have to do is to input the keyword that you're trying to target, okay, and you're followed by the exact location you're trying to reach out to, right? So you can see I have everything right here. Now I'm going to click on start. So if I click on start, automatically the Lead Sniper Google Maps Scraper 2 begins to help me scrape all the data that I am requesting of it. Now, this is just one browser. I can also make use of another browser. Watch this. Now, coming over to my other browser, and right here you can see this is a new browser. I'm going to open up the Lead Sniper Google Maps Scraper 2 once again, and right here, I'm just going to put in something clean. All right, so I'm just going to let me just go ahead and copy up a new keyword. So let me just go and target restaurant in different places right now. So let me just copy all of this. Okay, I'm going to come back here and I'm going to paste it right here. Very good. Now you can see I have my keywords already inputted. I'm going to click on start, and now watch this, guys. You can see we have two browsers running simultaneously, and they are helping us get the result we want. This is the second browser, and right here you can see we have the first browser. So with this feature of you using multiple browsers to scrape data from Google Maps, you are able to get thousands of data in just a few minutes. So I'm going to allow this run for just 5 minutes, and once it's 5 minutes, I'm going to come back here and show you guys how much data we've been able to get by using multiple browsers. Now let's chill. Alright guys, so for yourself you can see that we have over 3,649 leads from the first browser, and here on the second browser you can see we've gotten over 2,562 leads already being generated for us. So now I'm going to show you how to export your data, and you're going to be seeing what the data looks like. And now you already know how Linda was able to get up to 5,000 leads in a minute using the Lead Sniper Google Maps Scraper and also applying the multiple browser features. Now quickly let me go ahead and export my data and show you guys what it looks like. So I'm going to work with the first browser right here. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and click on export. Okay, you can see click on export, and right here you need to choose how you want to export your data. Probably you want to do as a CSV or you want to do as an Excel file. It all depends on you, right? So quickly go ahead and click on which one you want. For me, I'm going to go ahead and use the CSV file, and you can see guys we have it already downloaded into my browser. So let me quickly open up and show you what it looks like. Alright, so guys, you can see what the data looks like, and this is how Linda was able to get thousands of leads using the Lead Sniper 2. Now, how was she able to find a paying client? It's easy. Like what she said here, she said I actually used the social media tables to sort out for clients who were not, or for businesses rather, who were not having a good content display on their social profiles. So what she meant was that she actually went to the social I'm trying to look for the social media handles. Okay, this is it here. You can see here on the lead sniper data we got. You can see we have the Facebook URL, we have the LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, and Yelp, and YouTube, and all like that. So what she did was that she checked out on some of their socials, and she realized that some of those businesses don't have good content out there. And because she's into content creation and content management, she was able to pitch a service to those brands, and in return they were paying her for a service. So Lead Sniper made this all possible, and trust me, I'm going to give a big shout out to Lead Sniper for having all of this data being included in the data that we get to export whenever we use the tool. So with the data you are getting from Lead Sniper, you have access to seeing your client weaknesses. You can see where they are having fault, where their weaknesses are, and you can use that in getting them to pay you for your service, which you're going to be helping them in return fix such problems. Now the truth is this: getting clients isn't about being lucky, all right? It's about having the right to a clear offer and a list of people who actually need what you're selling. So tools like Lead Sniper, Google Maps, Scraper don't just scrape data, they help you skip the guesswork and talk to people ready to buy your service. So if you want to try it yourself, click the link in the description box below to get access to the Lead Sniper tools, and trust me, you can start enjoying those tools even for a lifetime. And if you found this Linda strategy very helpful, you can let me know in the comment section below, and also you might be the next person testifying, who knows. And once you get your testimony ready, please do well to shoot it to my email, and I'll do well to also share with people right here on YouTube. Thank you so much, Linda, for sharing this with us, and thank you so much for watching this video as well. If you found it helpful, do well to smash the like button, tell me what you feel, and I would love to hear your response. Thank you and bye.